original, professional, one-stop, compressed air system expert from China. Air compressor, vacuum pump, blower, nitrogen generator.
Hello everyone, welcome to BOAO. We provide not only original equipment and parts, but also the confidence and guarantee of your stable production.
Our technical service team, with deep industrial experience, ensures that your leads and queries are responded to in a timely manner.
Atlas Copco air compressors are known for their superior performance and durability. This is a soon-to-be shipped Atlas Copco oil-free screw compressor with symmetrical 6-4 teeth and a telephone graphite coating that prevents corrosion of the rotor and greatly extends rotor life, guaranteeing 100% oil-free compressed air. This is a highly efficient VSD plus permanent magnet variable frequency oil lubricated screw compressor with a maximum energy saving of about 50%. Compared to a conventional VSD fixed-speed drive compressor, and a uniquely designed vertical compression unit that does not require a gear drive. A 75 kW VSD Plus compressor reduces carbon emission by about 3,000 kg per year compared to its predecessor. We only sell original parts. These are Atlas Copco air compressor consumables, which are known for their high precision and low pressure drop. This is a well-designed air filter, which has a 99.9% filtration efficiency, so it always provides clean and efficient compressed air. Our commitment begins with the pure pedigree of original parts. The BOAO Air and Repair Center provides air and replacement and refurbishment services. After careful repair, the efficiency of the air end is almost as good as new. The service scope includes oil lubricated screw air ends and oil-free screw air ends.
Choosing BOAO is choosing a professional, reliable partner. Feel free to contact us for more information. BOAO is with you for the future.